There are some features in both the Uber and Lyft driver apps that I would like the other driver app to implement, and today we'll discuss those. Alright, so this won't be a wish list of features that I'd like to see in both the driver apps. It will be as the apps currently stand now, as both driver apps currently stand, combining those features to create one app. Alright, and the primary feature that I would like to see when combining both driver apps is to be able to see that upfront info always after accepting a request. And Lyft is the driver app that has this feature. After you've accepted a request, when you're en route to a rider's pickup location, all you have to do is slide up that bottom bar, and you're still able to see the upfront fare as well as the drop-off address. And once you've accepted a request on Uber, that upfront info disappears. You only know the pickup location, you no longer can see the upfront fare, and you can't see the destination address when you're en route to pick up the rider. It's just nice to have that information always available so we know what we're getting paid and we also know where we're heading. Alright, and the next feature that I would combine is messaging as it is set up on the Uber driver app. With the Uber driver app, you can always send a custom message. You don't have to send one of these canned messages first. Yes, they do have canned messages here that you can send, but I personally don't want to send any of these usually. I just want to send a custom message. And I have a text replacement shortcut set up where if I just type JOF, it will replace that with just out front. And this is the message that I like to send to every single rider that isn't on the curb when I arrive. But on Lyft, when you open messaging, there are a handful of canned messages, which you will have to send one of these before you can actually send a custom message. And literally most of these messages I would never send. Hi, where are you? Stuck in traffic? Can't take a call now, sorry. Gate code, please. To me, these are very impersonal and not detailed enough, and I would never want to send them. Usually I will just select I'm your driver Joe, or I'm in a gray Kia K5. And then you have to slide all of those canned messages on the bottom to the left, and then you can select the custom message icon there, and then you can send a custom message. It's simple, Lyft. Don't make us send one of these canned messages first. Let us send a custom message all the time. And honestly, it would be great if we could create our own custom canned messages on both driver apps, but the way Uber has it set up as it currently stands is better than Lyft. Alright, and the third feature is auto arriving when you arrive at a rider's pickup location. When you arrive at a rider's pickup location on Uber, the app auto arrives you. There's nothing you usually have to do. It just automatically starts the countdown clock and notifies the rider. And on Lyft, when you arrive at the rider's pickup location, you actually have to tap to arrive. There is no auto arrive. And that countdown clock will only start once you tap to arrive. And if you're multi-platforming and say you've given a ton of Uber rides and then all of a sudden you give a Lyft ride, there are times where I've forgotten to tap to arrive when I arrive at a rider's pickup location on Lyft. And when you arrive at a rider's pickup location, you want that countdown clock to be starting immediately. You don't want there to be any lag time. But also on Uber, there are times where that auto arrive does not initiate. If say the pickup location is somewhere in a building and you need to get closer, you can't auto arrive. So it would be ideal if both driver apps had auto arrive enabled, but if auto arrive isn't working, you can tap to arrive. Alright, so those are the features that I would like to see when combining both driver apps as they currently stand. But what about all of you? Are there other features in either driver app that you prefer that you would like to see in the other driver app? What about a wish list? What are some wish list features that you'd like to see in the driver apps? And overall, I would say that I prefer the Lyft driver app to the Uber driver app. I prefer the UI, and I also like that the upfront information is always available. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on some things you may not have known about Uber and Lyft, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.